Chief Minister flags off run race respond to Northeast half marathon race. Wangkai MLA Yumkham Irabor announces leaving Indian National Congress. At least 3 students are injured in scuffle between ILP protesters and police at Kwakaithil Bazaar. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjum with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister today asserted that government alone cannot solve the problem of unemployment and stressed the role of private sector. Speaking at the flagging off of Run Race Respond Northeast Half Marathon organized with an aim of encouraging entrepreneurs in the region at Kangla Fort, Chief Minister said although Manipur has huge untapped natural resources, frequent bans and blockades hamper the economic growth and overall progress of the state. Okrem Ibobi also wished that the half marathon may bring understandings among the people of the state and bring prosperity. The half marathon organized by Henley Ventures Private Limited with the support of UK national Nigel Eastwood started from Kangla Fort and culminated at Nambol Sabalekai. Commerce and Industries Minister Govindas Konthojam, Rajya Sabha MP Mary Kom, among others, attended the flagging off ceremony. Individual enthusiasts and entrepreneurs from around the state took part in the half marathon race. Wangkai MLA Yumkham Irabor today announced that he will leave Indian National Congress after people of the constituency urged him to leave Congress. MLA Irabor stated that he will also release a book on bipartisan attitude of the Okrem Ibobi-led Congress government towards Wangkai MLA and the constituency within next 5 to 10 days. Speaking to media, MLA Y. Irabor added that for the last 15 years, there have been virtually 2 MLAs in the constituency as any project and program taken up by departments in the constituency needed the consent of Okrem Henry, nephew of Chief Minister Okrem Ibobi. MLA also maintained that he decided to leave Congress party after thorough consideration with the people of the constituency and will decide which party he will join in a day or two. A large number of people of the constituency gathered at the residence of the MLA located at Kurai Ahongai Laikai and took out a rally of about 200 vehicles around the constituency. A meeting was held at the residence of the MLA and resolved to urge the MLA to leave Congress.
For the last 15 years, say Tarangasi Kianate MLA Anidi was Savanava. And sort of protection, sort of development, Amatato Yadava. See my young city suppressy, I told the Natra Mayan with power. I also congratulate the Yadavity. My young lady made a decision to Matuminayak, still Logari. Message later, my young Piriva made it to Gimatumina. I am says to tender my resignation from all in the Congress. See, Toro Matunda, I have Karma Party, Yahweh, I will just take the full concerns of the workers of the Assembly constituency.
GCILPA Students' Wing continues its agitation demanding protection of the indigenous people of Manipur, demanding ILP system and passing of a bill in special sessions of the Assembly. Students of Imphal College, Comet School and Mem Higher Secondary School tried to storm Chief Minister Bangalow today around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But Imphal West Police halted them at Kwakaithil Bazaar. Students tried to march ahead by overpowering the police personnel. However, police fired tear gas, shells and mock bombs to disperse the students. 3 students were injured and admitted at RIMS. Later, police put the volatile situation under control. A gang of gunmen assaulted family members of ex-MLA Dr. Nimai Chan Luang at gunpoint and also apparently threatened to execute the MLA. Addressing the media during a press meet held at Manipur Press Club, Nahakpam Ongbi Bimola, a family member of Dr. Nimaichan Luwang, said that the incident occurred yesterday afternoon around 2 o'clock at the MLA's residence located at Yairipog Yambem under Andhra Assembly constituency. Bimola was apparently babysitting her grandson when one Lorembam Sanjoy and Sarungbam Bimol from Yambem Mathaklaikai came asking for Bimola's husband Tomba. Bimola said they started assaulting her at gunpoint, holding her by her hair. Later, Nimaichan's nephew Nahakpam Rajendru and his wife, who rushed to rescue Bimola, was also assaulted by the two gunmen. Later, around 10 men led by Nahakpam Kaka, Inau and Chingambam Tangba joined the gunmen and threatened them, Bimola added. An FIR has been filed with the Andhra police station about the same.
Noi huji loina mo hatura huji mo nang hat pangamani nangonde au tare araga sampoiraga chingdabani sarangban bimon jiga dagi sanjoi hariba nupa jiga na masa khangdaba mi taramung sum yaure adagi masa khangbadana nakpong kakaga adagi makhagi inauga adagi kanoga tambaga moi ahum masa khangba moi ahum am yaure
moi phunara lerambadu akhoi mayam je langanu tawnanu haina khamdui phajadi thi mafam ji ju kano taw yaba mafam na tena khamdu matam ji da moi na khoi dong sala mu phubane ba matam ju moi gi khulai ju loi putore loi sinare aten ba ma som da sinare asang ma mai ngon sinare phairam basi man haram basi candidate ki imung se tumna ba hat kani nakam sagai ju tumna ba hat kani
candidate ma sama
aduga candidate masa su election yaudringi gi manung sida aina inbush tor ko ma hat kani.
Affected Landowners Association against the forced land acquisition for Sports University at 44 EITB Laukol has strongly opposed the construction of Sports University amidst the ongoing case at the High Court. Speaking at a press meet at Manipur Press Club, the association's Joint Secretary Mohammad Nazimuddin said the state government has submitted several false documents to the central government pertaining to the construction of the Sports University. Nazimuddin further stated that a memorandum has also been submitted to the Governor of Manipur requesting her to look into the suspicious activities of the state government and requested not to disconnect their lifeline. He also stated that the center had even sent a direction to the Chief Secretary to shift the location of the Sports University if the matter does not get resolved by June end this year. Following which, the Chief Secretary had sent a report stating that only 31 acres of land was in dispute and not a dispute of 336 acres of land. Nazimuddin said that this itself shows that a double standard of Manipur's government.
High Court case laina 10 March 2016 da Hariba National Sports University AC construction hauganabagi damakta Patel Engineering Limited Mumbai, Hindustan Steel Works Construction Limited, MSRK Azin Special Contractor, everything project punamaksigi e tender na singba power attorney na singba pira mail loirame habasigi documents ekhoina handak khakta inau nau na phangakpani laingakta lusingba oiriba singsina asumba khongthang du tawbiragadi akhoi punamaksigi praja punamakki apenba oigani.
World Suicide Prevention Day was observed on the theme Connect, Communicate, Care at the Janims Conference Hall today. The event was jointly organized by Trained Nurses Association of India, Manipur State Branch, Nurses Association, TNAI Janims Unit and National Alliance for Elder People's Livelihood Research Advocacy and Chronic Diseases of India. Speaking at the occasion, NAEPLRA Chronic Diseases of India and ARDSI Imphal Vice Chairman and Scientific Chief Patron Dr. K. Santibala said that out of the people who commit suicide across the world, around 90% of them turn out to be either suffering from depression or from psychiatric problems. She said around 1 million people commit suicide every year across the world. The highest numbers of suicide victims are within the age group of 15 to 19. She said that one needs to broaden their mind, boost one's self-confidence, develop a strong defense mechanism, proper counseling, healthy diet and proper sleep in order to avoid the extreme step to suicide. MPP led by the Manipur People's Party Chanura Marup president in charge and the vice president yesterday met Manipur Governor Najma Heptulla and welcomed her as the first woman governor of Manipur by presenting gifts. The team requested the governor to help in timely implementation of the schemes sponsored by central government and women empowerment. Thoubal District DC and District Election Officer Takelambam Ranjit has appealed to the people of Thoubal to help in making an error-free final electoral roll to be published on the 2nd of January early next year. Addressing media persons at his chamber today, Ranjit requested all to extend their maximum support by coming forward for correction of any errors in the current roll, including new registration by the 7th of next month. A one-day public awareness on the role of Dr. Huirongbam Atul Chandra in the library movement in Manipur was held today at the Library Hall of Manipur University. The awareness program was organized by Manipur University in association with the family of Dr. Huirongbam Atul Chandra. Participants at the event paid floral tribute at the statue of Dr. Atul Chandra. Chief Engineer PWD M. Lokendro, eminent musicologist Laishram Birendra Kumar and social activist H. Romani, among others, attended at the event. Speakers at the event reminded the role of Dr. Huirongbam Atul Chandra in the library movement in the state and inculcate a habit of reading books. A 3-day free medical camp, free laboratory testing camp kicked off at the Singtumai Community Hall, Singtumai Top Laikai today. The medical camp is organized by Network for Positive People Imphal West and sponsored by social worker Oinam Roman in collaboration with DAPCO Imphal West, DTC RNTCP Imphal West, State Ayush Society and several organizations. Imphal West CMO Dr. H. Kula, Jenim Superintendent Dr. Ranbir, social worker Oinam Roman, Sanasam Umananda and District AIDS Control Officer Imphal West Dr. S. Gopal, among others, attended the opening ceremony.
MN objective ti akhoi general media da leiriba singsigi marakta akhoi ICTC testing tokthokpa TB testing tokthokpa haibadi SIB naraga su losal lega leiriba singse akhoi general mayam sigi medical camp sigi through da akhoi ICTC test hoba TB test hoba aduga haibad SIB naraga leiriba singsi marakta na co infection leibra SIB leibra TB leibra amadi malaria na chingba leibra haiba sigi thim sira pangthok chabane.
A collection of 4 Manipuri short plays titled Samjilaba Liklang Paring, written by Secretary in charge of Manipur Legislative Assembly Karam Meghajit, was released today at Dave Literature Center located at DM College campus. The releasing function was attended by MLA Kaisamthong Assembly Constituency Eli Bomcha, MLA Langthabal Assembly Constituency Karam Shyam, Director of Manipur Legislative Assembly Secretariat Y. Samarendra and staffs of Manipur Legislative Assembly Secretariat. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary in charge of Manipur Legislative Assembly Karam Meghajit said that his plays was returned 30 years back and all the plays were staged at his locality during Ningol Chakauba. Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Lengsin birau Thangmaiban DM College Road Talaiba Eastern Suzuki da Fangbiragani Suzuki ki gari macha sing makhal suna Mafam sida Suzuki da train tarba mechanic singna ningthina service piriba servicing center ki khudong chaba amasung spare parts sing MRP rate ta fangbigani loinana irai laina loan loba yabagi khudong chaba su pizari ngasi maglengsin birau Eastern Suzuki Thangmaiban DM College Road Imphal Manipur.
Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime English News. The Motor Vehicle Department and the Traffic Police continue drive against driving two-wheelers without helmet and without IND number plates. Around 700 cases of riding without helmet were registered till yesterday and a fine of around 1,40,000 have been collected. 150 riders were without IND number plate were also compelled to apply for the IND plates. Speaking at a press meet at the office of Directorate of Transport States Transport Authority Babupara Inspector T.H. Dinachandra said the Transport Commissioner had notified on the 25th of July to conduct drive against riding two-wheelers without helmet and without IND number plates, following which the drive was conducted from the 3rd of this month. On the other hand, they have also been conducting a drive against illegal modification of the driver's seat in diesel autos. Addressing the media, Traffic Police OC H. Rameshwar Sarma said that the people should act responsibly and follow traffic rules. He further stated that the motive behind the drive is not to collect fines nor paralyze, but to create awareness among the citizen.
65% mukti cover up to the remaining things when hygiene in the interest of public kitamata appeal to the Bible number place regular one of the public mating PB drive matter sangsal the penalty at the Pagi put Nathan Mapung Pavanga Morial can yaw drugati Tabaximapung Pavanga.
Personal safety Tani Atopagi Nate Aduna so it Namaki Upiga but of mandatory provision Pandam di fine yam to Budunate. Mayam the awareness people. Awareness people plus Praja Singsu, Ain Singse, Napum to it, Num to it, Maramdi Maduki Kana Basikanana, Pangadu no Hekanda, Isa Isan.
Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association MMTA launches its Mission Green program today along with Editors Guild Manipur and media persons at Manipur Mountaineering Institute, Lamdan. The program was launched with the philosophy of Think Global Act Local by planting varieties of saplings in and around the institute. The president of the association said the association will work together with local voluntary organizations and with forest departments support to successfully achieve Mission Green. Newly constructed St. Anthony's Parish Church was inaugurated today at Muiraikul, Ukhrul district. Cultural dance and song were also performed at the inaugural function, attended by MLA Shyam Kumar, NEC Secretary Ram Muiva, IAS Senapati District, DCC Arthur WIAS, among others. Mao Students and Youth Freshers Meet was held at Adim Jati Shiksha Ashram Complex, Chingmairong today. Speaking on the occasion, Mao Youth and Students Organization Imphaal's President Ashok said that the event was organized with an aim to bring all the people of the Mao community living in the city together. Meanwhile, Ashok appealed to all communities living in the state to broaden their minds and to live peacefully.
Same like either Leju, Masin Maune, Traga Maze, Adum Tauga, Sita Mekot Leju, Kangda Matang, Adum kind of thing they go. So with a program like this, we're trying to bring everyone together under this a common roof. Aduga Mimiamze, Kangna Halaga in a form of interaction, gathering among the Purago. And then Huzikano Kwe, Hansing labor officers, dignitaries, Kwe Mao tribe Manung Panyam Levise, the type of advice or the type of motivation to the youths and students more in a peaning mase PBO and we do matang da koina huzik freshers meet say same like either leju masina maune traga.
A forum of regulators for Eastern and Northeastern states forums meeting was held at Hotel Classic Grande, Chingmairong today. The meeting was organized by Joint Electricity Regulatory Commission for Manipur and Mizoram, JERC. Representatives from 12 states discussed on how to provide uninterrupted power supply. Addressing the media, JERC's chairperson R.K. Kishore said that the conference was held with an aim to supply uninterrupted power for 24 hours in the respective states.
Prajasingda kamai tawna khoina kaino se mai se yamna chang naina koi 24 hours supply si pi ngong ko tage aduga hujik leiba power supply position sida khoi distortion leiba adi shutdown leiba adi any sort of mayam leiba sing si overcome torga kamai tong praja mai si chang naina phajana yam quality supply ma pi ngamna ba loina na rate leiba rate che mistake khara handana su pi ngamna ba adi maro na India ki Prime Minister Narendra Modi ki vision da 2021-22 da laigadoi ba kaino se akhoi renewable energy hai tar maroina renewable energy develop to ba yam focus to ga to ba khoi program ne khoi tawjari je.
A one-day Kunung Ishai and Pena Saihek Festival was held at Manipur Dramatic Union's auditorium located at Yai School, Police Lane. Traditional art and instrument lovers attended the festival organized by Progressive Voluntary Organization. As the part of the festival, certificates were also given to the artists as an encouragement. Secular Muslim Development Committee, Kairao Kendra, extended their appreciation to Kairao Assembly constituency MLA Thamarjit Karam for distributing gifts and presents to the Muslim of the constituency ahead of Eid-ul-Juha. Communist Party of India, Manipur State Council and Minority Cell, Manipur People's Party extend their warm greetings to the people of Manipur, especially the Muslim community, on the coming of Eid festival. Now the sports news. Star Club Moirang Kampu and SSC Porompat emerged as winners of 2 league matches of the All Manipur Football Association organized by Imphal East District Football Association under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association. In the first league match played at PRYA Kundrakpam today, Star Club Moirang Kampu beat Minuthong Hatta Golapati Athletics Union by 3-0. Star Club's TH Anil scored 2 goals in the 65th and 77th minute of the match, while a third goal was netted by El Roshint in the 73rd minute of the match. In the second league match, SSC Porompat beat Nesu Kurai by 3-1. SSC Porompat's Naubi, Sanjay and Olin scored a goal each. The remaining league matches would be continued tomorrow. YOSC Kurai defeated 11 Star Sporting Union accompanied by 3-2 in the Maharaj Kumar Ghanendra Memorial Super Division Football League tournament today. H. Silas of YOSC scored 2 goals in the 29th and 68th minutes of the match, while K. Ibotombi netted a goal in the 38th minute of the match. Frankie Hangsi and N. Rames made the goals for 11 Star in the 29th and the 68th minute of the match. In the second league match of the tournament, Upsa Pukhao beat Nipso Kaibi by 4-1. The tournament is organized by Imphal East District Football Association under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association at PRYA Kundrakpam. First state-level invitation belt wrestling and Prakashant Wushu Style Championship 2016 will be held from the 1st of October to the 3rd of October at Ngaurathel Community Hall located at Hairok Part 3. The championship is being organized by Global Manipur Society, Hairok. Interested players can get the detailed information about the championship from Global Manipur Society's office till 27th of September 2016. Before we wrap up, a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister flags off run race respond Northeast half marathon race. Wangkai MLA Yumkam Irabod announces leaving Indian National Congress. And at least 3 students are injured in scuffle between ILP protesters and police at Kwakatal Bazaar.